My name is Thom Reynolds. I'm from Highway Equipment. This is our company's 90th anniversary celebration. We've been a Hyundai dealer for about 15 years now, and it's been a great relationship. My grandfather started this 90 years ago in March of 1933, right at the Depression. The first office, if you're from Pittsburgh, it was in the Gulf Oil building, in an office building in downtown Pittsburgh. And then we added the headquarter buildings where we're sitting now, which is about 25 miles north of Pittsburgh. And we built this headquarters on 60 acres that they found, and this was a wonderful investment for them at the time. Today we operate from essentially New Jersey to Ohio. We have about 9 branches, 9 locations. We're going to add a couple more soon, and we interact with a lot of different kinds of customers. We started here in Pennsylvania, we added Ohio as well, and we drifted a little bit into West Virginia. But we've had lots of great customers here in Pennsylvania. We got Hyundai into a lot of pipelines in both Pennsylvania and Ohio. And then with the DOT in Pennsylvania, we've sold them over 200 units, mostly for snow removal applications and everything else related to the DOT. So that's been a very good relationship as well. Everyone here at Highway is really excited to grow with Hyundai wherever we can. We represent most everything that Hyundai has, and it complements everything else that we do. We have a great portfolio of products, and Hyundai is a great part of that portfolio that we have. We have had lots of success. Customers love, in the wheel loader lineup, it's been terrific. Solid lineup. Our excavators have done great in pipelines, even with contractors. The hydraulic flow is great. The hydraulic performance is great to run attachments with. It's performed wherever we've put it. It's done a great job. Hyundai's been a great partner with lots of variety of equipment and great availability. Our customers understand it. It's a great product and really well engineered. It's just been an overall really good experience for us and our customers. I couldn't be more happy with it.
Building a comfortable tomorrow.